I'm Andrew Pratt, the very proud principal of Pakenham Public School.
Is that trail too loose or too tight?
For 6 Friday mornings in February up to March break, our entire school, kindergarten to grade 6, we skate.
Alrighty, my friends, remembering our little tricks. Big step on that ice. Oh dear!
We have a wonderful reciprocal agreement with the town of Mississippi Mills, whereby they can use our school facility and we can use some of the town facilities. The rink is about 200 feet from the school. Not only is it part of the health and phys ed curriculum, it's a wonderful community event and activity that lifelong learning.
I'm Jamie Hewitt. I teach grade 4 and 5 at Pakenham. It's a learning experience for all of them. The older kids are outstanding to help the small ones and pick them up, and the kindergartens, this is only their second skate, and already they have made like so much progress in their skating, and they love to come out with the big kids. It's also amazing to see the amount of parents and grandparents who come out to help, and it's just a good way to make a connection between the parents and the school and the staff and the community.
Okay, I'm Cindy. I have 3 kids at Pakenham. This is really important to me to come out, and it's really great because the faster you get them onto the ice, reinforcing that it's not a scary thing is important.
My name is Lachlan O'Brien. It's important for the little kids because they're just learning it, and it's our job as the older kids to help them.
My name is Riley. I'm grade 5, and I love skating with my friends and helping the little kids.
It's a win-win-win in every aspect. It's just an amazing way to finish a week, and yeah, definitely all the students will sleep well tonight for sure.